Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, The Secret of Staying Young. First 1 to 8 questions are to complete the notes. This note is about Isabel Giraldo's research. First question is focused on a total of something different age groups of ants, analyzing चींटियों के विभिन्न आयु वर्गों की कुल संख्या पर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हुए उनका विश्लेषण किया गया. Let's see in the paragraph. In the lab, P. Dentata worker ants typically live for around 140 days. Giraldo focused on ants at 4 age ranges, 20 to 22 days, 45 to 47 days, 95 to 97 days and 120 to 122 days. So its answer is 4. Next question is, how well ants looked after their something. चींटियां अपने किसी something की कितनी अच्छी तरह देखभाल करती थी. Let's see in the paragraph. Giraldo watched how well the ants took care of the young of the colony, so its answer is young. Next question is their ability to locate something using a scent trail, सुगंध के निशान का उपयोग करके किसी चीज का पता लगाने की उनकी क्षमता. Let's see in the paragraph the telltale scent that the insects usually leave to mark a trail to food, so its answer is food. Next question is the effect that something had on them. किसी चीज का उन पर प्रभाव पड़ा. Let's see in the paragraph. She tested how ants responded to light, so its answer is light. Next question is how something they attacked prey. वे शिकार पर कैसे हमला करते थे. Let's see in the paragraph. And when it came to reacting to prey, the older ants attacked the poor fruit fly just as aggressively as the young ones did, so its answer is aggressively. Next question is comparison between age and the something of dying cells in the brains of ants. चींटियों के मस्तिष्क में मरती हुई कोशिकाओं की कोई चीज और उम्र के बीच तुलना. Let's see in the paragraph. She saw no major differences with age nor was there any difference in the location of the dying cells, so its answer is location. Next question is condition of synaptic complexes areas in which something meet in the brain's mushroom bodies. मशरूम बॉडी में मस्तिष्क के उन सिनेप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्स क्षेत्रों की स्थिति जहां कोई चीज आपस में मिलती है. Let's see in the paragraph. She also wanted to see if aging affects the density of synaptic complexes within these structures, regions where neurons come together, so its answer is neurons. Next question is level of 2 something in the brain associated with aging. बुढ़ापे से संबंधित मस्तिष्क में दो पदार्थों के स्तर. Let's see in the paragraph. What was more, the old ants didn't experience any drop in the levels of either serotonin or dopamine brain chemicals whose decline often coincides with aging, so its answer is chemicals. Next 9 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, Faedal dentata ants are the only known animals which remain active for almost their whole lives. फाइडोले डेंटाटा चींटियां ऐसे एकमात्र ज्ञात जीव हैं जो लगभग अपने पूरे जीवन भर सक्रिय रहती हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Faedal dentata are native ant of the southeastern U.S. isn't immortal, but scientists have found that it doesn't seem to show any signs of aging. Old worker ant can everything just as well as the youngsters, and their brains appear just as sharp. Such age-defying feats are rare in the animal kingdom. Naked mole rats can live for almost 30 years and stay fit for nearly their entire lives. So according to question only Faedal dentata ही एक known animal है जो पूरी life active रहता है. But according to answer, ऐसे और भी animals हैं. So this statement is false. Next question is, Isabel Giraldo was the first person to study Faedal dentata ants using precise data about the insects' ages. यसबेल गिराल्डो पहले व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने कीड़ों की उम्र से जुड़े सटीक आंकड़ों का उपयोग करके फीडोले डेंटाटा चींटियों का अध्ययन किया. Let's see in the paragraph. Unlike all previous studies, which only estimated how old the ants were, her work tracked the ants from the time the pupae adults, so she knew their exact ages, so this is true statement. Next question is, the ants in Giraldo's experiments behaved as she had predicted that they would. गिराल्डो के प्रयोगों में चींटियां उसी तरह व्यवहार करती थीं जैसा उन्होंने पहले से अनुमान लगाया था. Let's see in the paragraph. Giraldo expected the older ants to perform poorly in all these tasks, but the elderly insects were all good caretakers and trail followers, So its answer is false. Next question is not given. Next to that is feudal dentata ants kept in laboratory conditions tend to live longer lives. प्रयोगशाला की परिस्थितियों में रखी गई फीडोले डेंटाटा चींटियां आमतौर पर अधिक समय तक जीवित रहती हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Out in the wild, the ants probably don't live for a full 140 days thanks to predators, disease, and just being in an environment that's much harsher than the comforts of the lab. So its answer is true. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.